Hey everyone, Sleepy here. I know I've been a bit quiet, but I've been working on a big project, so I got a new series coming. As you know, I've been trying to dive down into basic electronics, PCB design, and all that good stuff. As you've seen with the Christmas lights. So I'm going further, and my daughter has requested. Well, at first it started as a request for a robot dog, and it's now a robot axolotl. We'll see where it lands when I finally get there. But I have no clue what I'm doing, so I have to learn. So I've wanted to do this kind of thing for since I was a kid. So finally going to do it. I've invested a lot of time and money over the past few weeks trying to get this place set up so I can film a little easier inside my office. Plus buying all of the supplies so I can do some basic electronics. I figured, hey, why not bring you guys along for the ride? So basically, I'm going to make a series of videos covering all the projects in this book, Make Electronics, and also this book, cleverly called Make More Electronics. So, I'm still working on the logistics for the first 8 projects because they're not really projects, it's more a lot of reading material and stuff like that. So, there'll probably just be one video covering those 8 where we basically just go through basics of resistor, capacitor, and stuff like that. But yeah, I think this is going to be exciting. I figured there's a lot of projects here. Trust me, I've spent a lot of money on. I've got like 8,000 resistors now. I figure it's going to take most of the year. My goal is to put out one video a week. We'll see if that holds. It'll probably end up being once every 2 weeks. But as you know, I'm not a big volume person when it comes to long form content. But hey, now that I'm monetized, hey, why not give it a whirl? So I'm taking a chance here. If you guys got anything specific you want to see or any ideas, let me know in the comments. But until then, stay sleepy, my friends.